Behind me is white spruce. It's in the family Pinaceae. It's in the genus Picea, and the specific epithet is glauca. So Picea glauca is the species name. It's a spruce, so the cones hang downward and the needles are singly attached. Let's take a closer look at its identifying characteristics. Bark is gray with a little bit of brown, maybe some reds, and it breaks into these scaly plates that might come off the trunk just a little bit. Here you can see a cone hanging down and a single cone. Notice the size. It's smaller than the blue spruce and smaller than the Norway spruce. It still has the papery cone scales, but the edges here are round. The needles, if you look straight on the twig, come out again all the way around, making it look a little bit like a bottle brush. Spruces have a very excurrent form, and here you can see very narrow at the top and then widening as you get down toward the base. It will, on some of the older branches, develop what you can see there, a little bit of drooping or smaller branchlets, not to the same extent as Norway spruce.